The Anti-Trafficking in Persons Unit of the Jamaica Constabulary Force says Jamaica has been making progress in its fight against illicit trade, but warns that misinformation and speculation could threaten that progress. Unit Head Deputy Superintendent Carl Berry raised the concern and gave the update at a human trafficking seminar at the University of the Commonwealth Caribbean on Tuesday. TVJ's Herman Green tells us more.
It's been almost a decade of combating human trafficking in Jamaica, and for head of the Anti-Trafficking Unit, DSP Carl Berry, the efforts between 2010 and now have been reaping success.
What we have been doing in the fight is that to date we have convicted 6 human traffickers who have all received a range of sentencing. Most of them are incarcerated now.
Under the Trafficking in Persons Act, convicted persons may face up to 30 years in prison. However, DSP Berry says recent cases of missing persons, including the baby snatched from the Victoria Jubilee Hospital, are causing uninvestigated assumptions in the public, which creates challenges for genuine human trafficking cases.
Because it quacks, because it looks like, it doesn't mean that it's a duck. So everybody now start calling everything that they can't interpret human trafficking. So if a child is stolen, then it's human trafficking without more. If a child runs away from home, whatever the circumstance is, everybody says it is. Now, it could very much be, but the reality is it requires investigation. And when we call everything a spade, then we might not have use for any other tool.
Children's advocate Diane Gordon-Harrison says in light of the misconceptions, her office has launched a new online campaign dubbed Be Social, Be Smart, geared towards educating children, parents and teachers.
With the help of UNICEF, we have actually now published different little social media comic books, if you will. One targets the younger children, telling them how to navigate social media safely, all platforms. There's another one for teenagers, and there's a third booklet for adults, which really gives them the tools as to how to keep children safe.
In any case, DSP Berry says the Anti-Trafficking Unit will continue to investigate all concerns brought before them.
We will subject each matter to its natural course. We will investigate all aspects, and where it is found to be a crime, we, in tandem with the DPP's office, will agree the charges to be laid.
Herman Green, TVJ News.